Hey there YouTube, today we're going to go over a motor sound that we're having in the Traxxas X-Maxx. Sounds like a problem, but should be a pretty easy fix. So, my assumption is that the bearings are bad, or at least one of them is. I'm assuming it's more than likely the front bearing. So, I'm going to let you guys hear how it sounds. I'm going to give it just a little bit of throttle. Sounds like something's moving around quite a bit, or grinding almost. So we're going to shut it off, take a look. My assumption is motor bearings. So I'll show you why I think that. Pull the front motor mount off to start. The back side of the motor is going to be the exact same as the front here. I'm hoping that the front is our solution and we won't have to go to the back. But I will check that off camera, but I'm hoping it's just one. Usually it is just one. So next I'm going to pull out the 3 bolts here on the side of the front cover of the motor. And before I get this last one, I'm going to show you one trick, and that's to wiggle your shaft. And you can see I have a little bit of side-to-side movement here. That's not a good sign. Actually, I got quite a bit when I go that way. So that leads me to believe that the front motor mount, the front bearing in the motor is bad. Now, if you run like this for a while, it will lead to the back bearing also going bad. So, if this has been going on for a while for you, then go ahead and change the back. But it happens the exact same way here as the front. Like I said, I'm hoping to only have to do the front here today. Inside of the motor looks okay. And here's the bearing. It's pressed in there. I'm going to just take something to push it out. And there we go. So let's see how this looks. One way to tell, if you hold the bearing by the center here, and just make sure I'm in frame. Yep, you hold it by the center, and let's see if you get wobble. Wow, yeah. That's definitely no good. It spins good, but I'm guessing something's gone on in here. So let me try to get a little bit closer to the camera and show you exactly what we're looking at here. So I'm holding it by the center. I have a lot of side-to-side movement. So that's not good. So I've got replacement bearings. Brand new right here. I'm going to put a link to these in the description on the description of the YouTube video. It's Amazon link, sorry. And I'm going to press that into place here. Not here. In the front cover of the motor. These are pre-greased bearings. They're now in place. You do want to make sure they're pre-greased. If they're not, you're going to want to pull the cover off and grease them. So from here, let's place the motor back on. Make sure you put it on there properly, which we'll actually only install together one way. And rotate it into place. Put these 3 screws back in. Three screws are back in. I'm going to go ahead and power it up and see if anything changed. Much better. No more grinding. That's simple, guys. So this is how to change your bearings in a Traxxas X-Maxx in the motor. And the backside's going to happen the exact same way. I'm going to go ahead and change the backside just to do it. I have 2 bearings, and that kit that I've posted the link for in the description comes with 2. So that's all you need, guys. I hope this helped. This should solve your problem. If you have any rough noises, please like and subscribe to the channel.